The customer referred us to this specific product. We have the GP Reeves pump and then the rotometers pushing the UV cure material into the customer's final part product. The first station where the operator stands, they have an HMI upfront heads-up display. They will drop a pre-finished good part, a plastic part, into the nest, and it will cycle to the first station. In the first few stations, it's injecting the UV cure material around electrical control connections. When the potting material is injected, it flows around each one of those electrical pin connections, and GP Reeves was the go-to answer for how to push that material. And then the next few stations use a Loctite curing system to UV cure the potting material so that it's a watertight solution. It goes into the final check station to get a pin mark so that it shows the part product went through the machine and it wasn't done by hand. The last station is a quality check. So it either goes into a bad part product chute and gets discarded into a container, or it circles back around as a finished good to that same operator. I think if any company in the Michigan area is looking at anything besides GP Reeves, I would ask why.